Hi, welcome to West Coast Kia. Today we're looking at a 2016 Kia Forte5 SX trim level with a 1.6 liter turbo engine. The car has signal repeaters in the mirrors, fog lights, accents over the headlights, and aluminum wheels. As we get out in the car, you can notice that in the driver's window there's a little sign that says Sirius XM is on. That would indicate that we have 3 months of free Sirius XM radio included with the car. Inside, power windows, locks, and mirrors, an active eco function, and the steering wheel has audio and cruise controls as well as other functions. The car only has 42,966 kilometers. As I said, Sirius XM radio. Has a backup camera, climate control for each side, Kia's UVO, which is your voice, an auxiliary and USB input port, and heated cloth seats on the driver and passenger side. Driver's seat is also height adjustable. And one thing that I neglected to mention was that this car qualifies under the Kia Certified Pre-Owned program, and that's what that big green sticker is telling us in the upper right of the windshield. You may want to check out all the features and benefits available to the purchaser of this little Kia Forte with our business manager. Plenty of room in the rear. Those seats are 60-40 split, so they do fold down. Seating surfaces are cloth with leather accents. In the back, there's plenty of room for luggage, groceries, carrying around sports equipment. And there's also a shelf over top, which is going to keep your stuff out of the view of anyone. There's that SXT with gas direct injection for more horsepower and better fuel economy. If you're interested in this little Kia Forte, come down to West Coast Kia. We're open 9 to 9 Monday to Thursday, 9 to 6 Friday, Saturday, 11 to 5 on Sunday. The best way to make an informed decision about a car you're thinking about is to actually come down and drive the car. Bring the family down, do a test drive.